Hello and welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, you will learn how to add a contact to the home screen on iPhone. With the addition of shortcuts, now you can add contacts to your home screen and dial them immediately from there. Let's take a look at how it's done. Go to Shortcuts and press the plus icon. Tap Add Action and search for Call. Tap on the contact or search for the contact you want. Name the shortcut above and change the icon as you see fit. After that, tap on the menu button up top and tap Add to Home Screen. Here, you can change the icon and name of the icon again. This is how it will appear on your home screen. Tap Add and you're good to go. That's it. Very simple and very handy. How many contacts do you plan on adding to your home screen? If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And make sure to press the bell button to be the first to know about our new videos.